then I don't want it to keep turning off black. It's turning black. That's my problem right now. It's turning black. Okay, it's not coming on. If I don't switch it, it's not coming on. Welcome to day 9 of Vlogmas. I'm so excited that I get to vlog every day and trying to teach myself the discipline of vlogging and picking up the camera, although I haven't been good. Today I had to go back to Home Depot. You don't see me go to Home Depot. In yesterday's vlog, trying to pick up lights for my front yard. I did pick up some, but trying to be conservative, I didn't have enough. So today I went back, picked up some lights, but some weird reason I didn't know if my camera was on or off, but apparently I had pressed a setting for my screen to go dark, so I didn't know if it was recording or not. So that said, let's get on with the day. And what do I have on? I have my pants are from Lululemon. I got it at the airport at Heathrow. My pants was falling off and I needed something to wear. I wasn't comfortable with the trousers I was wearing. It was so baggy and my fit was not it. So I walked into the store and got it, but I'm not sure why now. It does, maybe that's the color when I got it, because if you get close to me, you'll see that it looks faded a bit, but it kind of works with today's outfit. And I have my tank top on with this, and I have my COS oversized sweater, and it is the multi, it's a two-tone, the green and the gray, perfect for this season. And it looks like I'm coming down with a bit of something, I'm not sure. And I had to, put my hair in a ponytail and try to keep my head warm. That said, I need to get on with work. I have a lot lined up, and I'll bring you along. I'll bring you along. So hold on tight. And of course, I have my coffee. The mark should say "Be Jolly." I'm not sure. Every time I think it's the way I have the camera set up. And I need to also try to call my nail technician and see if she can put me in for tomorrow. I need a pedicure, manicure, and I also need to get my eyebrows waxed. That said, now let me continue with work.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Hey. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
Welcome to day 9 of the Advent calendar, and so far we've been doing great. And day 9 is at the bottom here. Remember this one from Clarence as 12 days of Christmas, or 12 days. So we're almost getting to the end. So for day 9 for Clarence, we have a tonic bath and shower concentrate with essential oils. So good thing about all of this is that I get to enjoy this and test them out and see what I will buy in the actual sizes. So for day 9, this is for Clarence. This is what we have: a tonic, bath, and shower concentrate. I get to pamper myself all through the holidays, basically, because I've been using them daily. So the next one is for the Palais de Tea. And let's look for 9. 9 is right here, right on 9. And I'm gonna try to take that out and see what kind of tea we have, because I've been enjoying the summer, the green teas we've been getting. And so this is infusion sensorials. Yeah, it's a sensual herbal tea on a cloud. So it's more of like a calming tea. This will be a nice. So that's it for Palais de Tea. And now on to L'Occitane. So for L'Occitane, day 9, let's figure out where it is. 19, 7, 4, 5, and 9 is right here. So day 9 is right here. Let's get what is in there. It's this is L'Occitane. It's a perfumed hand cream, and I love L'Occitane hand cream. They usually make one of the best hand creams. If you know, you know. So day 9 is this perfumed hand cream. So that concludes day 9 of Vlogmas. Hopefully you're enjoying coming along, watching Vlogmas. Some of the videos are not going to be as long because I'm not getting so much done, and some of the things I'm doing. I'm trying not to, I kind of put the videos on a time lapse so that the videos are not too long. It's something short and sweet. So I'll see you tomorrow on day 10 of Vlogmas. Have a great day. Bye.